Prepare for trouble and make a double. To protect the world from devastation. To unite all people within our nation. Hello everybody. I am Bakura ZZ. And I am from Team Rocket. I might not have the costume, but I'm Team Rocket. And I'm about to beat Iris. The improved Pokemon League is here. So I don't think it's just a cheap old league from before. Let me just give you a quick update. My Pokemon got beaten up on the first Elite Four, but did good on the other three. Now, let me show you what my Pokemon HPs are on. There. As you see, my Kyurem and Reshiram are fainted, but my other three Pokemon are still in the game. Now, let's go. We've got to be challenging her for the first time. Actually, this is the second time, to be honest. It's just this is the first time I've burst it in improved form. Dun, 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 dun. Let me put up the volume. Here we go. The pressure. As you go towards the champion. I think it's Iris, isn't it? I'm not sure, to be honest. Yeah, it is. Now, what's that? Okay, let me tell you, because you can't read the text. Welcome, Challenger. I've been waiting for this. As you see, this is kind of an interesting background. If anybody knows what that background is over there, can you please explain it to me? And what the weird statue is this? What's the statue here? Okay, now let's go challenge the challenger. Iris. Right. Okay, the trainer who came here, a trainer who desired victory. Yep, that's why I have a victory Pokemon named Victory, mate. But every five of their beginning. And they are battling alongside Pokemon that have been put. Yeah, I don't care about this. Let's go. Yeah, blah blah blah. Let's go. Finally. Now I'm about to challenge Iris. As you can see. Hydrogen, huh? Right. Here you go, man. Yeah. One down for you to go. Lapras. We're gonna see Lapras around here. Here you go, man. Alright, avoided it. Not good. Let's take this to overdrive mode. Right? And here it goes. Here it goes. And we're gonna make the DS move with it to feel the experience. There it is, the one-hit KO here. Okay, the next Pokemon I can't even see either. So let me just check. Archulus, okay. Keep battling. Okay. Let me see. Archulus is a great Pokemon. But what's bad about it is that it's always 4, 5, and shield code. 0 code. Sorry about this. I just need to plug in my charger. Now let's see what happens. Alright, saved it. Let's see. Aguilar. Trigger Aguilar. Now let's find and end this on Cheerful. Let's see Haxorus. I like Haxorus. Evolve form of action. Wait, rank is in. And start. Cheerful. Good. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Go. Go. Come on, keep going. Here go. Double edge. Oh no, not good. I need to do it again. Man, this is getting awesome. Looks like I'm gonna win this. Finally. Okay, I think this next one should be Haxorus, which is our last Pokemon. Come on out, Haxorus, and play! Yeah! Nice to meet you, Cal. Trying it? Oh no, it's 2 Pokemon left. Looks like I need to use some arm moves on your call. Dragon Dash, pretty good move. Hey, this is game over. Come on, give me a physical. Yes. Well, so one more Pokemon down. That means there's one more Pokemon remaining and we're in. And that should be the end. What? How did it survive? Sturdy. Okay. Oh, why am I using it on a future for? I can't believe it's doing this. Can't let it be. I just can't. Come on, take it in. Oh, I didn't want Sturdy to come out, right? Oh no, it doesn't. Yay! So one more time more down, and my HP is still in this. Come on. Don't be a chicken. There we go. Here it comes. Oh, that is an ultimate. Oh yeah, I heard in the the recent TV thing, they said that this was that cave Pokemon Elder took out the Elder from the Dragon Rivers. So I just defeated it. So, bye everybody. Thanks for watching this video. It was an honor playing with Honest. So please subscribe and comment, as I have beaten the improved Pokemon League champion. Next video, we'll see the Meloetta event finally. And I'll give it to you. So the people that asked me, how did you get Meloetta, I'm about to show you on the next video. So bye bye for now. And thank you for watching. Okay, go ahead. Thank you. Maybe we should watch this part first. Let's see what happens. Okay, this should be enough. Bye.